Hello everyone, let's solve question 60 of GATE paper CS1 2025. Consider a given sequential circuit designed using D flip-flops. The circuit will be initialized with some value, which is initial state. The number of distinct states the circuit will go through before returning back to initial state is the number of distinct states the circuit will go through before returning back to initial state is. So we are given this sequential circuit using D flip-flops. Let's first understand the prerequisites of the same and then try to solve it. That will be a good idea. So let's understand the basics first. So in order to understand the basics, let's understand D flip-flop basics. So D flip-flop samples its D, which is data, input on the rising edge of the clock and present it on the quotient output of the next. A D flip-flop samples is data on a rising edge of the clock and present it on the output until the next clock. So a D flip-flop samples its data on the rising edge of the clock and present it on its Q output until the next clock. So Q of next is equal to D of current. Okay. Let's talk about shift registers. So when you cascade DFFs, wiring, uh, when you cascade DFFs, wiring the Q of the ones of the D of the next, you get shift register. On each clock, the entire n-bit word shifts one position. Feedback path and ring counters. These are the some prerequisites we need to know to solve this question. If you take the output of the last flip-flop here, Q3, and feed it back to the first flip-flop D, input here D0. The register no longer shift the zeros but rotate its bits. If you take the last flip-flop output and feed it back to the first flip-flop D input here D0, the register no longer shifts in zeros and but rotates its bits. This is sometimes called rotating register or in special one hot case or a ring counter. State machine game. With a 4 flip-flop, there are 2 to the power 4, 16 possible states. Our combination logic, the wiring, defines the next state function. So the state function, let me write that. This is a state function. Uh, it will be 0, comma 1 to the power 4. We are just starting from some initial 4-bit value as 0, how many distinct states we will see before eventually coming back to the same point. Let's talk about some permutations and cycle lengths as well. So feeding back the last bits into the front and shifting everything else down is exactly the right rotate permutation on bits. In group theory language, the right rotate by one position of 4 elements has order of 4, meaning you apply it 4 times to return back to its initial identity, obviously. Cycle length, the smallest possible value k, so that applying rotation k times return to you where you started. For a full bit 4-bit rotation, here k is 4, provided the bit pattern is no smaller internal rotation symmetry. अगर उसमें कोई internal rotation symmetry नहीं, then in 4-bit, if k is 4, then it will come back. Let's analyze the given circuit. So if after analyzing the given circuit, we have to understand logic. Okay. So अब क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है उस बाद फटाफट रिवाइज कर लेते हैं कि हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा है. D flip-flop characteristic on rising edge of the clock, the output Q becomes whether the input D was just before the edge. ठीक है. Shifting register, cascading multiple DFFs Q to D of the next, implementing a serial in serial out shift register. On each clock, the bit pattern shifts by one position. When you feed the input, when you feed the in output of the last flip-flop to the first flip-flop of the D input, the register become a rotating register. Instead of shifting in constants, you rotate the existing bit around in a circle. A network of n flip-flop has 2 to the power n possible states. Okay? So system cycle through a sequence S0, S1, S2 dot dot until repeated. Clocking. Any fixed amount of feedback is just permutation of 2 to the power n bit registers. A permutation decomposes into disjoint cycle. Each cycle has length of k, and applying the permutation k in time, return back to the start. For a n-bit rotate, okay, we are going to be rotating. The maximum length is of n for the divisor thereof if the pattern has internal symmetry. So, like it keep repeating after a certain cycle. Okay, putting it all together, we will write down how many Ds is wired with some Q, and we will recognize the overall bit permutation like shift, rotate, inverted feedback, or anything else if there's there. And we will try to determine the cyclic structure of that permutation by inspecting like repeated starting arbitrary arrangements. Okay, now let's try to solve this particular question. Uh, let's write the sequence. So the output sequence is D0, D1, D2, D3. The input of D0, let's say input of D0 input is basically Q3. When clock will apply, the output will be this. The input of D1 is Q0. The input of D2 is Q1. The input of D3 is Q2. Assuming all the initial values to be zero. So I hope this much is clear. Assuming all the initial values to be zero, so this is what the table somewhat will look like. D0, D1, D2, D3. And let's call the value here. So if it is 0, 0, uh, 0, 0, 0, 0. Let's make one of them. So अगर मैंने यहाँ one कर दिया, then the value will become 8. If I make here one, then value will be 12. If I make three values one, then the value will be 14. If I make all the four one, then the value will be 15. If let's say, so I'm exploring all the possible options, then it will be 7, 0, 0, 1, 1. That will be 3. Okay. So how many states? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. The number of distinct states the circuit is going through before returning back to the initial state. Distinct states we are asking. So if we see 0, 0 the same है. 1, so 7 states हो गई. So number of distinct states the circuit will go through before returning back to initial state, including the initial state. Uh, is 8 basically. Assuming the initial value to be 2. मतलब initial value कुछ assume करके चलते हैं. Let's write that. Assuming कर लेते हैं. So if I assume, then D0, D1, D2, D3, and value. I'm just writing all the states. So how the flipping is happening? Flip to first, though, then so the number of distinct states again, excluding initial state is seven, and uh, including initial state is eight. So that's it. That's it for this video. Take care. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.